Hi guys, my name is Ruby and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so stoked that you're here. So just a little bit about me. I am a wedding photographer from Maine, but I'm not lying to you when I say that I have tried pretty much everything when it comes to photography. I have worked as a yearbook photographer, as a content creator for multiple businesses. I've worked for magazines, newspapers. I've done family photography, senior portrait photography, photography for small businesses, newborn photography, pretty much everything under the sun I have tried at some point, and I am now finally at the point in my life where I am 100% full-time in my photography business, shooting couples and weddings. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was kind of a struggle to get here, and with my YouTube channel, what I hope to do is to provide information and some insight on how to get started with a photography business. When I first started out my photography journey, I was a senior in high school. I just loved photography. I was in some clubs, I had done some contests, and I started to shoot senior portraits for my friends during our senior year, and from there, you know, my love for photography just blossomed. But I was 17 years old, I wasn't making tons of money. I went on to college, even though I had a full 4 years of education and a bachelor's degree in photography. Once I graduated, I was left with a lot of debt and pretty much no idea what I should do next. Like most college grads, I just started looking for jobs, pretty much anything to pay the bills. I worked as a server, I did photography jobs here and there, but you know, nothing that was really my passion. I didn't really feel like I knew what I was doing. I wasn't taking myself seriously, and I just wanted so badly for somebody just to tell me what to do, to help me, to hold my hand a little bit, and that is kind of what I am aiming to do with this channel. You know, I want to provide actionable tools to people who are just starting out on their photography journey. I am so stoked to share this information with you guys. This is the type of information that I just wished that I had 5 years ago when I graduated from college, the information that I wish I had 10 years ago when I was just a senior in high school. It doesn't have to be as hard as I made it for myself. So you can think of my YouTube channel as a little guidebook. I am always here if you want to answer questions. I am pretty active over on Instagram, which is at RubyJeanPhotography. I also am happy to take requests on videos, but we are going to cover everything from tips on getting started, editing, what to wear to photo shoots, how to communicate with clients. I have so many big ideas for this YouTube channel, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button and that you hit that bell thingy. I'm still figuring out YouTube, so that you get all of the notifications and so that you don't miss out on a thing. Videos are going to be coming out every single Tuesday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.